Model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 130PS 290 Trend Front-Wheel Drive L1 High Roof ULEZ Complaints Spares OR Repairs Smiling Face BARGAIN Open Mouth Smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 157,221. MOT, 20 July 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, start finds, runs, engine is shaking badly, will need repairing or replacing, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, 2 keys, parking sensors, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link